Good evening, students. In this video, I'll explain declaration of dividend out of previous year profits. Okay, very important topic from the examination point of view. So first of all, we have to ascertain where the profits earned are there. Okay, profits earned during previous year. Profits earned during previous years. Profits earned during the previous year or years. Okay, where those profits are lying, we have to ascertain where those profits are lying. First, check whether they are in the lying in the profit and loss account. First thing, lying in profit and loss account. Lying in profit and loss account. Whether they are lying in profit and loss account or transferred to free reserves. Transferred to free reserves. Transferred to free reserves, transferred to other reserves, transferred to other reserves. Okay, so profits earned during previous years, where they are lying in, whether they are lying in profit and loss account or transferred to free reserves or transferred to other reserves. Okay, so if they are lying in profit and loss account, if they are lying in profit and loss account, now we have to check interim dividend can be declared. Interim dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Interim dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Interim dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Okay, so final dividend can be declared without conditions. Final dividend can be declared without conditions, without any conditions. Okay, this is what the point. Profits earned during previous year, if they are lying in profit and loss account, final dividend you can declare without any conditions. Interim dividend we can declare subject to some condition. That will see what is that condition. Okay, that will see what is the condition. Now, transferred to free reserves. If transferred to free reserves, wholly owned government company, other companies. Okay, so wholly owned government company, wholly owned government company, wholly owned government company. Okay, we have to see this point. Wholly owned government company, wholly owned government companies, wholly owned government companies and other companies, wholly owned government companies and other companies. Okay, now the wholly owned government companies, wholly owned government companies can declare without any conditions. Final dividend can be declared without any conditions. Final dividend can be declared without any conditions. Others, final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Final dividend can be declared. Final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. Remember, interim dividend cannot be declared. Interim dividend cannot be declared using free reserves. That is the important point we need to note down. Transferred to free reserves. Interim dividend cannot be declared. Forgot about the conditions. Interim dividend cannot be declared. Whether it is a government company or other company, conditions or not, forgot about completely. Interim dividend cannot be declared at all. Interim dividend cannot be declared at all. Final dividend can be declared. Wholly owned government company, final dividend can be declared without any conditions. Other companies, final dividend can be declared with conditions. Now, transferred to other reserves. If they have been transferred to other reserves, if they have been transferred to other reserves, so no dividend can be declared, whether interim dividend or final dividend. Interim dividend or final dividend cannot be declared by any company, cannot be declared at all by any company, cannot be declared at all by any company. Okay, right, this is the point. So when the profits are earned during the previous year, so current year we are having losses, so therefore you want to utilize the previous year profits to pay the dividend. So in this case we have to ascertain where the previous year profits are lying. If the previous year profits are lying in the profit and loss account, interim dividend can be declared subject to conditions. So what is that condition? There is only one condition. Interim dividend can be declared. There is only one condition. This limit one alone will be applicable. What is this limit one? Rate of dividend should not exceed 3 years average rate. That is only will be applicable. Anyway, interim dividend will have a separate video. So this is only brief video of dividend from previous year profits. Interim dividend I'll make a separate video. For the time being, remember, interim dividend can be declared out of previous year profit and loss account subject to this limit one condition. Okay. Next, final dividend can be declared without any conditions. If the previous year profits are lying in profit and loss account, not transferred to any reserve, then final dividend can be declared without any conditions. Next, transferred to free reserves. If the previous year profits are transferred to free reserves, then we have to check whether it is a wholly owned company or other companies. If it is a wholly owned company, then find a, so when the previous year profits are transferred to reserves, remember interim dividend cannot be declared. Interim dividend can be declared only out of profit and loss account, not out of free reserves. Interim dividend can be declared only out of profit and loss account, not out of free reserves. So therefore, when the previous year profits are transferred to free reserves, interim dividend cannot be declared at all. Any company interim dividend cannot be declared at all. Next, coming to final dividend. So in case of wholly owned government companies, not all government companies. So normally government company means 51% of paid up share capital by central government or state government. So here not all government companies, only only wholly owned government companies. Wholly owned government companies, final dividend can be declared without any conditions. Other companies, final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. This is what is the important point. Okay, right. We'll see the conditions. Final dividend can be declared subject to conditions. See what are those conditions. Okay, right. Now here there are two limits, three limits or three conditions. Limit 1, rate of dividend should not exceed 3 years average rate. Limit 2, maximum withdrawal from free resources is 10% of paid up share capital plus free resource. Limit 3, reserves to be maintained at least 15% of paid up share capital. So I have given three problems so that we can see whichever is lower we have to apply. Okay, so first look at the first problem. Paid up share capital is how much? 3 to 5 plus 3, 8, total 10 crores. Paid up share capital is 10 crores. Last 3 years average rate is 12%. Last 3 years average rate is 12%. Therefore, if you apply the average rate of 12%, it becomes 1 crore 20 lakhs. As per limit 1, they can pay dividend of up to 1 crore 20 lakhs because that is the 3 years average rate, not more than that. Limit 2, if you look at the limit 2, we have to take paid up share capital plus free reserves, sum of the paid up share capital and free reserves, and then sum of the paid up share capital and free reserves. Some of the paid up share capital and free reserves, it becomes 30 crores. Okay, out of the 30 crores, we have to take 10%. Withdrawn at the rate 10%. This limit 2 condition, 10%. And whatever we have withdrawn from the free reserves, out of that, first we have to set off the current year losses. First, we have to set off the current year losses. Losses during in current financial year. Losses in current financial year. So current financial year losses we have to set off. Whatever is the balance, that only we can declare as a dividend. Therefore, if you go by limit 2 crores 72 lakhs, I can pay as a dividend. Limit 3, check up limit 3. So limit 3 is the balance reserve should be at least 15% of paid up share capital. Therefore, whatever the reserves available, I have to retain 15%. Excess only I can withdraw. Whatever the free reserves are available, out of that I have to maintain. I should maintain 15% of paid up share capital. Whatever is excess is there, that only I can withdraw. Okay, right. So therefore, free reserves of total 20 crores, out of that paid up share capital 15%, that is 1 crore 50 lakhs. That means a 1 crore 50 lakhs at any cost I have to maintain. Therefore, excess whatever is there, 18 crores 50 lakhs, only that much I can utilize. That much I can withdraw. Out of withdrawing this 18 crores 50 lakhs, anyway I have to set off this losses of 28 lakhs. The remaining only I can utilize. 18 crores 22 lakhs. Therefore, if you observe this limit 1, limit 2, limit 3, limit 1 is the lowest figure, 12 crores. This is the dividend amount. 1 crore 20 lakhs is the dividend amount. Lower of all the three limits. Lower of all the three limits, 1 crore 20 lakhs. Lower of all the three limits. This is dividend amount. Dividend amount. So dividend rate, how we got the dividend rate? Very simple. Dividend amount divided by paid up share capital. Dividend amount divided by paid up share capital is the rate of dividend. This is one problem. Another problem, look at this. Average rate same applies to 1 crore 20. Now the paid up share capital I have taken as only 1 crore. Paid up share capital I have taken as only 1 crore, not 10 crores. I have taken paid up share capital as only 1 crore. 1 crore into 12%, it will be 12 lakhs. It will be 12 lakhs. That is one limit. Second, 1 crore paid up share capital, 2 crores free reserves. The total will be 3 crores. Out of the 3 crores, 10% will be 30 lakhs. Out of the 30 lakhs, I want to utilize 20 lakhs for set off of current year losses. Therefore, the limit available is only 2 lakhs. I can withdraw only 2 lakhs as per limit 2. Limit 3, 2 crores free reserves, 15% of paid up share capital, 15 lakhs. So therefore, excess reserves will be 1 crore 85 lakhs. Out of this 1 crore 85 lakhs, if I set off 28 lakhs losses, limit 3 will be 1 crore 57 lakhs. So check up whichever is lower. Out of these three limits, which is lower? This is lower. 2 lakhs is lower. Therefore, I am going to pay only 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is the dividend amount. What is the dividend rate? 2 lakhs divided by 1 crore capital. 2 lakhs divided by 1 crore paid up capital, that is 2%. 2 lakhs divided by 1 crore paid up capital, that is only 2%. So because the examination question till now they are asking only the dividend amount. So suddenly they may ask you what is the dividend rate. So therefore, if you end up calculating the dividend amount, and if you don't know reverse calculation of dividend rate to dividend amount, after it's arithmetical calculations. Dividend rate is nothing but dividend amount divided by paid up share capital. Therefore, be careful. Till now, this type of problems has not been tested in the examination, but there is all chances of testing, asking this aspect. Okay, what is the maximum rate of dividend, or what is the maximum dividend amount? What is the maximum rate of dividend and what is the maximum dividend amount? That is the reason I have given both the figures, maximum dividend amount and maximum dividend rate. Now, so look at the third problem. Paid up share capital 10 crores, 12% will be 1 crore 20 lakhs. So free reserves is 2 crores. So total paid up share capital and free reserves 12 crores. Out of the 12 crores, if I take 10%, 1 crore 20 lakhs, 28 lakhs losses I'm doing set off 92 lakhs I have 92 lakhs. If you look at the third limit, 2 crores free reserves as it is, I'll take. Out of that, 15% will be 1 crore 50 lakhs. Excess reserves will be 50 lakhs. So excess reserves over 50 lakhs, I can withdraw only 50 lakhs. Though limit 2 permits 1 crore 20 lakhs. Remember, limit 3 permits only 50 lakhs withdrawal. Limit 2 permits 1 crore 20 lakhs withdrawal. Limit 2 permits 1 crore 20 lakhs withdrawal, whereas limit 3 permits only 50 lakhs withdrawal. How much we have to withdraw depends on lower of limit 2 or limit 3. Okay, so therefore I can withdraw only 50 lakhs. Out of whatever I have withdrawn, I have to set off the losses of 28 lakhs. So the balance will be 22 lakhs. So 1 crore 20 lakhs, 92 lakhs and 22 lakhs. Whichever is lower, 22 lakhs is lower. What is my paid up share capital? 10 crores. So 10 crores out of 22 lakhs will be 2.2%. So this is how the three conditions has to be checked: dividend amount, dividend rate, limit 1, limit 3. So be careful. The maximum amount that can be withdrawn is the lower of these two limits. Okay, right. So this is what the important point. So now most of the students, when they say current year company has incurred losses and company is going to declare dividend out of previous year profits, most of the students are directly jumping into these conditions. They are talking about these conditions. No, it is not correct. We have to see where the previous year profits are lying and which type of dividend the company is declaring and what type of company. Okay, current year losses. Okay, current year losses, declaration of dividend out of previous years. So when the examination question says current year losses, dividend out of previous year profits, dividend out of previous year profits, current year losses, dividend out of previous year profits. Now we have to ask the question, what is the type of dividend the company is declaring? Okay, this is the facts of the case. Current year losses, dividend, company wants to declare dividend out of previous year profits. First ask what is the type of dividend company is proposing. Is it final dividend or is it interim dividend? Next check where the reserves are lying. Type of company, whether it is a normal company or wholly owned government company. Type of company. Okay, next where the place of reserves. So where they are lying. Okay, where they are lying, where the profits are lying. So these are the three conditions to ask whether to declare or not. If it is permitted to declare, whether it is with conditions or without conditions, we have to ask these three questions. Okay, when the question says current year company has incurred losses and the company wants to declare dividend out of previous year profits, we should ask three questions. Which type of dividend company is proposing? Is it interim dividend or is it final dividend? And which type of company? Is it a wholly owned government company or a normal company? And where those previous year profits are lying, whether they are lying in profit and loss account or transferred to free reserves or transferred to other reserves. After these three conditions only, we can say whether it is permitted or not. If it is permitted, whether with conditions or without conditions. Okay, right. So this is the point, declaration of dividend out of previous year profits. Most important question from the examination point of view. Okay, so take a note of this chart. When the declaration of dividend out of previous year profits, okay, where they have to declare based on the type of the company, type of dividend, etc. And these are the three conditions. Whatever you have talked about, these are the three conditions and these are the problems. Okay, thank you.